Now, the topic for today is IC packaging, or more broadly speaking, encapsulation, and how you can utilize simulations with Moldex3D to unlock design feasibility studies, reliability studies in next generation electronics. In today's talk, I'm going to briefly outline and introduce what is parting process as such, what is dispensing process, what is encapsulation. And then I'm going to take a particular case study to talk more in depth about the process itself, about how simulations can be utilized broadly speaking. So obviously everybody is aware and everybody knows the rise and dramatic increase of AI and AI-driven companies in today's market. I think the explosion started somewhere around the pandemic time, even though R&D work has been being done in this space for a long time before that. But post-pandemic, we really saw an explosion in AI market, right? Artificial intelligence. And that meant data centers, huge data. That also meant that there has been a strong increase in advanced packaging technologies. Why advanced packaging, you ask? Or maybe taking a step back, what is the difference between standard traditional packaging versus advanced packaging? Well, all of this goes back to electronics as such, right? When you talk about electronics and components within those electronics, there is a process which is utilized to ensure that the performance, safety, reliability of these electronic components is secured. And traditionally, there have been several different processes to handle the traditional packages as such. Traditional packages could be simpler RAMs in computers, motherboards from the past, right? Whereas with the advent of these AI and now NVIDIA's flagship chips and everything, the kind of packaging that is required given the density of modules on those packages is different, is more advanced. And this is getting more and more advanced as each day passes. So there is quite a big difference when in traditional packaging versus advanced packaging. Traditional packaging processes could be, single chip in a single package. Advanced packaging could be or is multiple chips and dies in a single package.